Moving to New York 21 years ago, 22, I don't know.
Yeah.
It really opened up my knowledge of music because, of course, I started to work with so many artists.
And from artists from different parts of the world that all living in New York. It's like,
and I started to play with Richard Bona like 2 years after I moved to New York. And Richard was like really important for me to kind of like understand how to place myself in music, like how to be delicate, how the dynamics, you know, all that. It was amazing too that I got that experience to play with Richard at the time. Later on, I started to play with Meshell and Ndegeocello, which was another kind of like
opening.
Yeah. And man, so many people. You know, even the Enrique gig too, that exposure to pop music, not the ones from Brazil, but the ones outside.
Right, because Brazil has its own world of pop music, you know? It's like...
Yeah, and now pop music, the ones from Bahia, we use so much percussion, you know, and some of the stuff that we do for the pop artists here, you don't really need to play that much, which is very hard to do when you come from that concept, you know, like that you have a lot and everything is so heavy and powerful, and then you have to maybe do one note during the song.
Yeah, that's
and
it.
You play one shake,
yeah,
which is beautiful. But the mistake is when you think that this is an easy thing to do.